What is going on? Just doing a quick video here. I just installed the CTS turbo mid pipes on the TTRS. Again, it is a very cold day here in PA. It's about 24 degrees, but on my back in the garage, I installed the mid pipes. So we'll see if we can get a couple sound clips in here. So I have the windows down right now, obviously. Yeah, so the mid pipes get rid of the secondary catalytic converters on the TTRS and the RS3. Frees up a little bit of power, and it also gives you much better sound. So as soon as I get out of the neighborhood here, I'll get on it a little bit. These are a good choice to give you a little bit more of a deeper growl. Like I said, you're freeing up some power because you're getting rid of the secondary cats. But of course, that's for off-road use only. See if I can do a quick little pull. Turbo, the mid pipes sound absolutely fantastic on the car. Stay tuned for more, guys. Here's the other one. What are you doing, bud?